How to set up a MC521 yellow face control. First, press and hold enter, go to function 99. Release enter, press down one time to make it say 00. Wait for a moment. Now press and hold enter and go to function 96. Press up one time to put it on 01. Wait for a moment. You should see A0. Now press and hold enter. Press up to go to 00. Release enter and put that on 01 for one motor or 02 for two motors. Wait for a moment. You will see A0. Next, press and hold enter. Press up to put it on 01. Release enter. Press up again to 1 for a left hand or down to 0 for a right hand. Now, press and hold enter. Press up to function 03. Release enter and press up one time. You should see a 20. Wait for a moment and then you should see an A1. Now, press and hold enter. Press up to put it on 11. Release enter. Press down to 00 for a rotary switch or up to 01 for a rocker switch. Wait a moment, you'll see A1. If you have an electric lock, follow the steps on your screen. Otherwise, skip it and go on to the next. To confirm the FIS and begin the learn cycle, move your position switch to hold open. As soon as the door starts to move that switch back to the closed position. Let the door go open and close twice. The door will complete its learning cycle. After completion of the learn cycle, if everything sets up correctly, you should get an A2 on the display. And there's the A2 indicating that we have a successful learn cycle. One final step, press and hold enter, put the function on 99, release enter, set that value to 01, wait for your 00 to display, turn your position switch back to auto. Now the door should be ready to operate.